Yamwache mwakwa Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi eso yede nyame asese nenso ode ache de ade hye dwumadi na se wuyi nyuma yede agege wa baba no a kase no ensam ne do so ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini yache asukufo nwotwe enipa nan so wo mu admission make say NTI any sectec ya won kranza sukufo a want to won ho asinti na akoba ne sa yede honsam no ebebro Adroba for ya wono mo efa aveno crossing no so no wasra ban na pa politics ne doso omonhwe na sa crossing kwan ne de wonyema won eno ne nsem bi na no pa me de bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase o hwa me live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 o YouTube Adom TV 2 afe yenhwe se de nsem ni chemu ankasa etie bididi afia amankwa tamaklo afensam no enchemu eni mentime ho asibi akoso ama mekasa sisi ebuno east resek mpanufo ayene se bambo mu emu odin no wonmo infantil school mienu eso ewon kranza ne mpotamu na wonmo ekokotena se dwendwen ye se bi ombeto school no mu ne benye ohawa adusua so ntino na ne oso wo yire bambo mu pa na se yesi obi ewu mu se de enu akase no enim from mu na ne namo no Nokrabia enimo esa na ni nyina gyina se NTI yasi school ni ba ko no obo ohuri ekọ sector school no mo kofa wo mo ge ba ko brana preps ekoso na no na adane nchi wanhye wa wi akire nipa enwotwe ya kire won ama school 49 so won mo admission Adom TV kase etwaso.
If you are found, I repeat, if you are found disturbing the peace, you'll be arrested and you go to jail. We will come out. After this, your principals, your heads, management will tell you what time you have to sleep and what time you have to wake up, where you have to go and where you don't have to go. Do you understand me? Yes, sir. Am I clear with that? Yes, sir. Yes. So, for now, we'll leave you. The security services will be here to protect you, to make sure that you obey the laws of the school. Every institution has its own laws, its own rules. If you are going out, you need an exit. If you go out without an exit and you are caught, you'll be put in jail.
We want information from you. So if any one of you is having any information that can assist police investigation, the person is welcome. Then let me say that we are going to provide security for you tonight. Police will be here 24 hours. But I'm also warning you that if you are NTI, be on your campus. If you are sectec, also be on your campus. We have no business going to sectec. Likewise, the sectec has no business coming here. Police is on the ground. Whoever flouts these particular directives.
Adroba for ya womo efa aveno crossing no aso su pa fise nyame anim ni panim ne enso ito ekura de kokohwade na yade mponchene na ntwere musu gugugu nchesa no enye kura nti adroba for esre yenya amanyo samo no na yenhwe enye sa aveno crossing no na tumi aboa ma ashankafo a yefa ho atentwe de bia na efiri ho ba bia je se yekọ mechanic shop no abeba fom ebi ni Adom TV kase edin komoyi
no omutimi ko tim omutimi na omo ba fele ha na omo jahani kota ene betimi aboa yen because nsuo no to na atai ho amena no nsuo mu atu ewo atu nti no nsuo no to na abetai ho nti ommobodian no mra no maye man
special avenue we had here. In fact ye ho mani o hapa inso to ayentumi nko rewe no ha ina asai boys no kwa na ebo edi anua kakaka gwa etumi fam enye sa ayentumi wa wo hwe de ekoso ha ye hwe cars no entumi nko so on na ye mani ye hu ha se enti esra aban no on ma be boy kakra ha se na se enye boys no mu na edi anua gu ha yetumi to rewe no ayi no kanu to ntoma dade no etumi say ye we no exhaust pipe no etumi bubu
kwa we no in fact I say no enye ne ache papa sister me hu say sakwan asem no enye ne asem nsu kakra bi tope na ohonum aye last bi tazi bi etwem say no ni back you know etui I mean enye fe enti equity say Ghana no ye the politics aye bibia enye fine kra enti wo man ye ni da ho na ye hwe bibia na ye yi politics na tu chen na ye adwuma ese
Abradom News in Central for Ecobo, ye, Mrashibijani Owo, Okankwe South, Epunumu, Yenini P, Ekasai, Ewo Fonsuno, or the two just sem Mrashibijani, Etuanamon, and Urban Roads for Ediun Como, Norma BCC.
Adom TV, Badwam Kasia, na Uguso, Eshanona, this year was Sabule, a Kintampo South, Mensinumo, one more the coast more day, Emma Fulani for no one yamuano. So woni die mu a said what tiegu one more efudie mu wese no no e hadwene na wo mu kire mu se emu no bes 4000 e na won ma boy wura kwaye no emu ese won wudie e wie kire so kura na wo mu ma no so no wo mu ho no na wo mu ese ha wo mu ni ade ha wo ma dwen pa nti bi ni Adom kase e de nkomo ye
pa e wo sebule krodwa yi mu nti ato nsa afre mu ne se sebule krodwa yi mu ye kuafo akua ya na nanom ye ya beto papa no beto ye nso na sai flafo de nantwa begu asase so be ye kua no eti wo be ko afo na mfudie nyina na ntwa sai ni nyina te se ya masabule ha wo mrate bi no mu a omu emfu hyekura bra omu ni emfu obiom te tu ho na mo nso a ye nya enu aduro te pese mo de to mfrema mu ema yen na omo aka bi e wo mu no nyina emo ayen titru eye nana mo manhe nana kwakuda nkwa a otoso miensa
Assembly member won patemo akadamwa enso di tudwa se wo mo etuhwa na mo a nanso na nkosi aga
etuhwa na mo eko dissect yene DC mo ne MP mo nyina koshia regional district commander mo nyina koshia e ma mo kura tu anamon eba krom ha in fact antwe ho asem de ye kan wo district mu a akwai bibia wo ho na wo hwe mo area ha ye niska yentimi ko school ye ya na ye bo hwe se ne nantwe ni aflafo esi ha ya in fact SMP woni fulani kura konya asema ekodu police station na wakodi nkunim na wa yasa woni ama no na wakodi fo ka ye betwa ma okura no wuntimi ntua enti yesre nana dankwa a oye mo manhene nana embramu ne ma ye bre district chief executive honorable DC Mr. Tuanamong Beshayen honorable MP Alex Mr. Bebre o ma ye bre se adobre anase insutobre obia edua ndobae ubeko afuom na nantwa
Mayento akase bono so na concern youth ya won wo keta won de ondi mraso pa wo from montemu won e wo fie ni won e wa mono ni nyina frɛ keta municipal chief executive sanso na my posi sahine owura kufu dampare ne nanado danko kufu ado ne security agencies ni nyina sa wo mo patent ne de ama won mu nua Jerry Pesenu ya wo ye fie wura na anu ade bebeto dwa se wo kodi aposifo nsam wi akire o mabro na moato na nanom nsie do no o ma tentene ne nya adwuma o hwehia e de nsami atodwa.
We also understood that it has been stated or alleged by the police that our brother Jerry Pesenu aka Maya was sick before they brought him to the station and that they did not assault him. We want to put it on record. We want to put it on record and must be clearly written and stated as it has been spoken. Our brother did not fall sick. He's a healthy person who even planned going for a funeral that they are organizing for his brother at Tema. On this note, there is no doubt that our brother will be killed unlawfully, unprofessionally, unethically for somebody to come and tell us that he was sick and that he has been brought to the station on which resulted to his death. It's a blatant lie.
Ebusuafo bi a womo nso ekasa ye edema womo edehye no a wato anananum ewon sedo no womo nso de nsem sei na tudwa
ekwa ye bra no ye ba ne fasu ni bra ne fasu wu ye no nti ase o ma ni nti ase ebusua ni nti ase ye bra yare ba be chi ni ofie adi na kwa police station dia ye tini se mo ye nua na ewu ye ba na ewu Ghana police. The way they went about, I don't know, they are not professional. Are they satanic policemen? You can't just go to somebody's house and catch him and kill him. And so yes, seeking justice. We want justice. That's it.
Enra Ghana mampani na Adom Akufo-Addo a Copal Law House no enwo entoma eye atena foforo ya wonde ama Ministry of Justice no na dwumadie na se wani se wo kachire ewi akire wo pa ho ntoma ne nsem odi tudwa no na ene odi anu yenso ma Franka Tuni de ma NDC amanyoko John Dramani Mahama e wona nsen ne nsem bi a wode atudwa ho Adom TV etwaso.
Sure, we are all aware of the statement by the former president and perennial NDC presidential candidate, John Dramani Mahama, stigmatizing me as a clearing agent. Because for him, mere allegation without more is enough to merit condemnation of an accused public official, especially one of my administration. For my part, and let me say it again for the record, I will not set aside due process and the rules of natural justice on the altar of the fight against corruption, no matter how much opprobrium this position incurs for me.
Godfrey Adame Attorney General and Minister of Justice. Nekasa yemu and what she said the digitalization here ewo attention.
We cannot have a modern legal service without a fully functional, digitized working environment. Thus, a significant phase in the creation of the modern legal service I speak about is the operationalization of an integrated information management system for the Office of Attorney General and Ministry of Justice, or a fully digitized operation of the office. The complete electronic management of all records at the office is non-negotiable. We cannot allow people to clutter our working environment and destroy the beauty of what we have achieved with this law house.
President Edema Ghana Bar Association Uraya a champion boafo and a nay what in some more to judge and she ahodo ya one day eba wonyuma no emu sebeye na enyuma ahodo nyina beye pepepe ewo atemu enhihye mu ntino won wa ye no sa lawyer fo no senka bia court no ne ade ne ehuhu wo mo won ba betre won ma hye mu na enyuma ahodo bi nso won mo anya lawyer fo wo mu ni nyina nso beka ho bi amanyuma ye bo ho dawro se adehye benya no won watumi anya Adom TV etwaso
infrastructure in the districts and regions. We should break away from the phenomenon of developing relevant infrastructure only in Accra. Suffice it to say that most of the offices of the Attorney General across the country are not fit for purpose and should require urgent attention. Mr. President, as a member of the Legal Service Board representing the GBA from 2013 to 2021, I am aware there has been an increasing number of lawyers who apply to be employed at the Office of the Attorney General. The time has come for the establishment of a Greater Accra Regional Office and district offices of the Office of the Attorney General. There can be no valid reason for continuing the practice of police officers conducting prosecutions mainly at the lower courts.
Justice Gertrude Tokonu, Chief Justice. Obo Attorney General and Minister of Justice Godfrey Adame Abaso say Mashe ama the Law House. Ya wono mo shase wa fimpinu ene ba akumu no wasie wie epia no.
The legal community is claiming its place in iconic destinations in the country, adding value beyond the work of justice delivery we do to presenting locations that have touristic value and other value to the country. Let me congratulate the Honorable Attorney General for stewarding this project that has been all of 24 years in the dreaming and in the building.
Mayento akasiano aso na yemungra yensam fofromu dwamtenani de mindisi amanyoko Johnson esedun ketia ebo MPP amanyoko no kwadu se womode military for enam voter transfer no emu wo centers ahodo no emu nanu mo ne kasa mu se NDC amanyoko no maho kwan dantena ho emane ma bi etise no enkoso NDC amanyoko na nyamfie aduasa emienu wo hye ho fa eno de nsemi atudwa
A group of people we normally will call the conscience of this country, that our nation is not sitting well. We are getting into a crucial election, and all attempts that we have made to make sure that the election turns peaceful are being frustrated. We warned against militarization of our elections. Today, even on the occasion of voter transfers, military men have been deployed in some constituencies, wielding weapons, trying to convert the citizens who bought the weapons and the uniform for them into the enemies of the state.
Franka tuni de man MPP amanyoko ya oyama mpani abedi akire ya Dr. Mahmoud Baumia enso de adwene po bi aba se emrenu aso na nanom atena nkonya nso yema wo mudi ntintiman ewo nsase mu na wo hunu da bia wo hyehye ni nyina so enam na wo mo ye ne sana na nanom mudi mu akotene akon aye ko ati agalamse no na me anim ne yebetimi edu ho.
My son is sick. So I was just being told, just a few days ago by someone who is very wise that let's look at giving the chiefs a stake. Let's give an equity stake in the resource, whether it's a gold mine or whatever. When we find gold in your area, then you have a stake in it, an equity stake. The district assembly has an equity stake. Once you have an equity stake, you will not allow this land to be misused. It has to be that you have a stake in it rather than the current situation. We want to make sure that we can regulate the small-scale miners, make sure the chiefs are part of the district mining committees that can give the licenses to the small-scale miners.
Nanusi yepe ena mampohine ya onunso ne penimpa ya wada nananom nkabomuku e wasante mantemu da sebre osebu nsu ede abasobode ma no se ono eni otwotwowuro a odikan ya waba besra wonom eno so da nchan ya ono eni opani a onya santini ya waba wonaso ne yeso eno nti enya ade a osi Dr. Baumia from kra.
For the record, you are the first dignitary, external dignitary that is non-member of the House, a non-member of Asantumai, who is paying us a visit. And Nananum, especially some of the Queen Mothers, were here before 9 o'clock, etc., etc. This shows, for the record, the high esteem that we accord you and hold you. Nananum moments have manner.
Mamina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pe media siase da ya odia emrani adaje a ode ma ye de adu so no so emodu the bonkrata no online story said ye tie si ma ba mienu ye nche kan ye ho ne mfanto so ye basisia.